Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my Piggyvest account, and in this video I will basically be showing you how to convert your Piggyvest points to money, actual money. And before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I have made over 700 videos about how to make money online. I've talked about tech, investing as well. I do giveaways from time to time, so you're going to learn a lot. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and of course like this video. So this is my Piggyvest account. If you want to pretty much earn points on Piggyvest, you have to just save with Piggyvest. You could save with the target savings option. You could save with the dollar option. There are so many ways you can actually save money here on Piggyvest. What I mostly use is the target savings option. It also has the Flex Naira option that gives you a Naira bank account that you can save money into and also withdraw money from, because it gives you an account number. Now, one of the questions I get asked a lot is if Piggyvest is legit. It is legit. I've been using Piggyvest for so many years now, since 2017 basically, my final year in school. And I've been to a lot of their events as well. They also host events from time to time these days still. So Piggyvest is legit. I'm still surprised that people ask if Piggyvest is legit, but I can understand your concerns. Now let's go to why we are in this video. Now you want to go to account here. When you click on account, of course you have to already be saving money with Piggyvest, right? When you click on account, you're going to see Piggy Points. Piggy Points is basically the points you've earned from saving. So I'm going to click on that. These are my points, right? So I have 111 points at the moment, and as you can see, a single point is 10 Naira. So these are the points I've earned over time, by just saving. You see here, every time you save on Piggyvest, you earn a point. And I'm going to click on redeem points, and then it's basically saying convert point to cash. So you can go ahead and just convert the point to cash. So it shouldn't go through because the minimum you can convert is 1000 points. And what I'm trying to convert here is, of course, 100. So you have to have, that's why you see this bar here. You have to have 1000 points first before you can convert. So if you're converting 1000 points, right, at 10 Naira, so 10 Naira times 1000, you see that's a lot of money. So you need to first of all get up to 1000 points before you can convert. As of now, you cannot convert 100 Naira or 200 or basically 100 points in that sense. So that is why it pops up this error, right? But the whole point system is for you to pretty much earn more money the more you save on Piggyvest here. So that's pretty much it. Let me know if you have questions, and I'll be happy to answer here in the comments. And of course, don't forget to like this video.